हाय राजेश सर, वेलकम टू द शो। कैसे हो आप सर?
थैंक यू जिग्नेश, आई एम फाइन। आप भी अच्छे होंगे और फेस्टिविटी में आप भी एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे और आई होप ये दिवाली जो अब आने वाली है और वो कल के सेशन में हमें बहुत कुछ खुशियां और इसी तरीके से मार्केट जिस तरीके से परफॉर्म कर रहा है इसी तरीके से मार्केट परफॉर्म करता रहे और हमारे सारे इन्वेस्टर हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स इसी तरीके से वेल्थ बनाते रहे, यही शुभकामनाएं मैं देना चाहूंगा इस मौके पर।
Yes sir, on behalf of all the viewers of investmentguruindia.com, we wish you happy Diwali and a prosperous new year sir. We all are very super excited sir कि आपके दिवाली पिक्स क्या होंगे. So over to you sir.
Yeah. So Jignesh, this year actually, if we look at the overall situation of the market में ये एक historical year जैसा count होगा to 2020. अगर हम देखें संवत 2076 जो था लास्ट संवत जो आज खत्म हो रहा है, ये इस संवत में अगर हम देखें तो मार्केट में एक शार्प फॉल दिया और शार्प रिकवरी भी दी। 8 महीने में मार्केट वापस लाइफ टाइम हाई पे आ गया। ये एक अलग ही बिहेवियर इस साल हमने मार्केट में देखा और जिस तरीके से मार्केट में रिकवरी देखी, जो स्टॉक्स अगर हम बात करें स्पेशली आईटी फार्मा और कुछ सेक्टर में ऑलमोस्ट जो मार्च में लो बने थे वहां से 2-3 गुना स्टॉक्स ने यहाँ से रिटर्न दिए। तो ये काफी अलग तरीके से मार्केट ने बिहेव किया और मार्केट में जो एक डर का माहौल था मार्च में वो अब बिल्कुल खत्म होते हुए दिख रहा है एंड मार्केट इज सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट नाउ। लिक्विडिटी इज huge liquidity is coming. FIIs are continuously buying in the market. So we believe that, the kind of demand which we are seeing in vehicles, the demand which we are seeing in FMCG sector, insurance sector is also booming. Financial sector is also, doing well. And so we believe that, in coming year, we believe that IT, pharma, FMCG, insurance and automobile, these sector is likely to do well for coming year. Nifty की बात करें, if we talk about the levels for the Nifty, so almost we believe that, as we are trading near to 12,700, 800 zone, so once we able to take out this 13,000 level on the higher side, then this momentum is likely to continue. And we expect target of 13,800 to 14,000 for next Diwali from current level. Maybe some volatility would be there in due course of time because still a lot of events are there which may give some sort of volatility to the market. But we believe that, on the lower side, 12,400 followed by 12,000 is likely to act as a good support area. And these are, whatever dips we are going to witness in the near term as well as in the short term basis, these are all, buying opportunity in the market. So buy on dips should be the key theme one should play in the market. And we believe that, coming year is going to be super bullish again, and we are going to see very good rally in the stock market going forward from the current level also, because demands and, recovery which we are seeing after this, lockdown and this COVID issue, which is, showing us that, India is going to do well in the coming months, and we are going to have a bullish year ahead from the current level. So now coming to the point, and now for this Diwali for Samvat 2077, we have come up with a stock idea from multiple sectors. And just to give you a quick update of the last Diwali picks which we have initiated, like, almost we have delivered Diwali to Diwali return of almost 18% compared to the Nifty 12% return. So we have outperformed, and this kind of, outperformance we are doing it since last for 5-6 Diwali. So whatever stock ideas which we are initiating for, investment point of view for 1 year time horizon, they are doing well. Now, for this month, we have come up with the stocks from multiple sectors. So first stock is Amara Raja Battery. So this is from, auto ancillary stock. And looking at the monthly setup for Amara Raja Battery stock, have managed to give, long, it has given a breakout of, down sloping trend line on the long term chart on monthly basis. And the kind of breakout which we have seen, that we believe that, this stock will do well in the coming month, and we are projecting around 20 to 22% upside target from the current level. we suggest to buy and accumulate this stock in range of 800 to 760. Our upside target is 925 to 960 from the current level. Even if any, volatility comes in the market, so you can buy and hold the stock and accumulate this stock, and we believe that, you will be able to generate around 20 to 22% return in the coming month. And so buy and invest in staggered manner, and these are all for long term. You can buy and hold up to the target levels achieved for 6 to 9 month kind of time frame. So because whatever time frame we are selecting it for, issuing all this investment idea, that is based on the long term setup of the stock. Another stock is from cement sector, that is Ultratech Cement. It's a leader for the cement sector. And if you look at the quarterly chart of Ultratech Cement, almost for 15 to 20 quarter consolidation is likely to over now. Stock is now able to give breakout over 4600 level. That is the breakout on the quarterly chart. And looking at the breakout, we believe that one can buy and accumulate this stock now from the range of 4600 to 4350 range. We are suggesting to buy and accumulate this stock, and we are expecting and projecting a target of 5150 to 5480, which will give you 18 to 20% return in the stock from the current level. And the breakout which we have seen, almost it's a 4-year breakout which we are witnessing on the quarterly chart. So which is really having significance, because almost after consolidation of 4 years. And if you look at the overall sector also is doing well. So Ultratech is a leader, and we believe that this stock should deliver 18 to 20% return from the current level. Another stock which we like is from home improvement sector, that is Kajaria Ceramic. So Kajaria Ceramic is looking very attractive, and if you look at the monthly setup of Kajaria Ceramic, stock managed to give breakout on the down sloping trend line, and stock almost has formed a multiple bottom at around 300 level. And after consolidation of almost 2 to 3 year time frame, now stock managed to give this breakout on the monthly chart. So looking at the breakout pattern, we believe that this stock can deliver 24% to 28% upside momentum from the current level. 675 to 710 is our projected target based on this pattern breakout. Stock is trading above all its important moving average on the long term chart, and the volume action is also encouraging in the stock. Since last 5-6 months, stock is doing well and continuously forming higher high formation. And the kind of accumulation which we have seen at the lower end of the consolidation, that is giving us confidence that stock is now ready to move further higher. We will suggest you to buy and accumulate this stock in 570 to 540 zone. So Kajaria Ceramic is another stock which we like from the mid cap space. You can buy this stock also for long term basis also. Another stock is from telecom sector, that is the Bharti Airtel. If you look at the Bharti Airtel setup, stock has corrected almost from 600 level to all the way to 400 level. And if we look at the overall setup of the stock, in the last month, we have seen a doji candlestick formation was there in the Bharti Airtel, and now for current month, stock has recovered from the lower end, and now the kind of the candle which we are seeing on the monthly chart, which is suggesting us that almost bottom is done for the stock. Now we will see the reversal in the stock, and again stock can move further higher towards 545, 550 zone on the higher side. So we advise to buy this stock in range of 460 to 440. Upside potential is 18 to 20% from the current level. So Bharti Airtel is looking attractive from the telecom space. Another stock is from broking industry is doing well. And so from broking industry, we believe that MCX, that is commodity exchange. This stock is looking very well, and on the monthly chart, almost a consolidation of a broader range of 700 to 1500. This was the broader range for the stock of last 5-6 years. And after 5-6 year consolidation breakout, stock managed to give breakout since last 4-5 months, and holding above that breakout level on the monthly chart. So looking at the longer term setup of the stock, we believe that this stock after the breakout, it's showing good accumulation, and we believe that stock can rally towards 1710 to 1710 to 1800 level from the current level. One can buy and accumulate this stock in any dip towards 1650 to 1600 zone, and upside potential is almost 18 to 20% for MCX. So almost we believe that this stock can do well because stock has given a breakout of its multiple resistance zone at around 1500 zone. So one can buy this MCX also for long-term investment. Another stock is from FMCG pack, that is Dabur. After a long consolidation, now stock is on the verge of giving a breakout. And looking at the near term as well as the short term chart, stock is continuously trading above its 100-day, 200-day moving average, which is seems to be bullish on the long term basis also. And stock is moving in a upward channel, and the kind of accumulation which we have seen in the lower side, the RSI is also turned positive on the monthly chart. So we believe that this stock can move further higher towards 575 to 610, which will result around 18 to 20% return from the current level. So buy in range of 500 to 475. This is the range which we are suggesting to buy here. Monthly RSI, quarterly RSI also showing strength, and we believe that this stock can do well in the coming time. Another stock is from steel sector, that is JSW Steel. If you look at the setup, stock has given a V-shaped recovery. Whatever price correction which we have seen in the post this March corrective action, almost the stock managed to recover all its earlier gain which we have seen in the month of March. And since last 6-8 months, the stock is continuously forming higher high formation on the monthly chart, and the V-shaped recovery suggesting us that almost now stock has recovered all its fall which we have seen from the level of 440, 450 to all the way to 130 zone. So 61% retracement is already done on the long-term chart also. So looking at the setup, we believe that this stock can move further higher towards 370, 385 zone, which will result as almost 15 to 18% return. Buy and accumulate the stock in range of 325 to 310. Another stock is from gas sector, oil and gas sector, that is IGL. If you look at the overall setup, stock has corrected from 550 level to all the way to 350 level, but the stock managed to hold its previous breakout which we have witnessed on the monthly chart, and the kind of accumulation we have seen at the lower level, which suggests us that this stock is now formed a bottom after the corrective action. So we believe that 460 to 485 could be the higher side target. Buy and accumulate in range of 410 to 390, which is a good support area for the stock on the near term as well as on the short term basis. तो IGL ऑयल एंड गैस सेक्टर से एक अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा है, तो ये एक बाय किया जा सकता है. अनदर स्टॉक इज ब्लू डार्ट. ब्लू डार्ट का अगर हम सेटअप देखें तो मंथली चार्ट में, एक लॉन्ग टर्म चार्ट में अगर हम एक ट्रेंड लाइन देखें तो डाउन स्लोपिंग ट्रेंड लाइन का ब्रेकआउट हुआ है ब्लू डार्ट में, और स्टॉक इज नाउ ऑन अ वर्ज ऑफ गिविंग ब्रेकआउट टू इट्स मल्टीपल रेजिस्टेंस जोन, जो कि 3700-3800 के आसपास है, और लास्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन में ये ब्रेकआउट ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. सो इस ब्रेकआउट को देखते हुए हमें लगता है ये स्टॉक अब यहाँ से 4300, 4500, 4500 के ऊपर भी ये स्टॉक यहाँ से मूव हो सकता है, जो कि यहाँ से 16 से 25% के आसपास का रिटर्न यहाँ से जनरेट कर सकता है. सो ब्लू डार्ट यहाँ से एक अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा है. 3800 से 3600 अगर कोई वॉलेटिलिटी भी आती है तो 3800 से 3600 की रेंज में स्टॉक को बाय एंड एक्यूमुलेट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि स्टॉक में एक रिवर्सल के साइन दिख रहे हैं. लॉन्ग टर्म चार्ट पे, मंथली चार्ट पे एक डाउन स्लोपिंग ट्रेंड लाइन का ब्रेकआउट हुआ है, और कंटिन्यूसली अगर हम देखें तो ये स्टॉक में जिस तरीके से लास्ट 3-4 महीनों में जो बाइंग एक्शन देखने को मिली है, ये स्टॉक अब दिखाता है कि ये अपने प्रीवियस ऑल टाइम हाई की तरफ भी बढ़ता हुआ दिखेगा ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. बट अभी यहाँ से हम जो प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं टारगेट, वो करीब है 4600 के आसपास, 4590 के आसपास टारगेट हम प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं. अनदर स्टॉक जो हमें अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा है दैट इज फ्रॉम बैंकिंग सेक्टर, क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा लाइमलाइट में, सबसे ज्यादा आउट परफॉर्मेंस पिछले कुछ दिनों में जो देखने को मिला वो बैंकिंग सेक्टर से देखने को मिला है. और उसमें जो हमें स्टॉक अच्छा लग रहा है वो बैंकिंग सेक्टर का लीडर HDFC बैंक, हमें यहाँ से काफी अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा है। स्टॉक में एक वी शेप रिकवरी हुई है, जो पिछले दिनों में जो करेक्शन था मार्च में, स्टॉक ने ऑलमोस्ट जो बेस बनाया था या लो बनाया था करीब 750 780 के आसपास, वहां से ये स्टॉक ने पूरा रिकवर करके 1340 1350 के आसपास अब ये स्टॉक ट्रेड कर रहा है। तो हम सजेस्ट करेंगे कि ये स्टॉक को 1350 से 1280 की रेंज में बाय एंड एक्यूमुलेट करें। स्टॉक कंटिन्यूसली हायर बॉटम फॉर्मेशन बना रहा है। मंथली चार्ट पे हाई टॉप हायर बॉटम फॉर्मेशन है, जो कि एक बुलिश साइन है। स्टॉक के आरएसआई अगर हम देखें मंथली वीकली चार्ट पे पॉजिटिव टेरिटरी में ट्रेड कर रही है। तो वी बिलीव दैट 14 to 17% रिटर्न यहाँ से भी जनरेट हो सकता है एचडीएफसी बैंक में भी। तो जो सजेस्टेड रेंज है उस रेंज में इसको बाय एंड एक्यूमुलेट करें। 1500 से 1585 तक के टारगेट हमें लगता है एचडीएफसी बैंक में देखने को मिलेंगे। जो नेक्स्ट स्टॉक है वो है फार्मा सेक्टर से, दैट इज एलेम्बिक फार्मा एपीएल लिमिटेड जिसका कोड है। तो ये स्टॉक में अगर हम देखें तो स्टॉक में क्वार्टरली सेटअप के हिसाब से अगर हम देखें इस स्टॉक को, तो ऑलमोस्ट स्टॉक में 5 साल से एक कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा था, जो कि इसको 400 से 800 एक ब्रॉडर रेंज अगर मैं बात करूं तो 400 से 800 400 रुपीज की रेंज में एक पिछले 4 से 5 साल तक ये स्टॉक में कंसोलिडेशन किया है। तो क्वार्टरली चार्ट अगर हम इसका देखें तो उस स्टॉक का ब्रेकआउट ऑलरेडी हो चुका है। लास्ट 2 क्वार्टर से एक कंसोलिडेशन ब्रेकआउट के बाद चल रहा है। और स्टॉक में अगर हम देखें तो हाई टॉप हायर बॉटम फॉर्मेशन है। स्टॉक की लॉन्गर टर्म टाइम फ्रेम पे स्ट्रेंथ इंडिकेटर पॉजिटिव साइड पे है। सारे इंपॉर्टेंट मूविंग एवरेजेस के ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है। तो हमें लगता है 1050 से 1110 ये टारगेट एपीएल लिमिटेड में आते हुए दिखना चाहिए, जो कि 22% से 29% का अपसाइड पोटेंशियल करंट लेवल से यहाँ से आते हुए दिखना चाहिए। सो जो स्टॉक्स हमने यहाँ डिस्कस किए, जो स्टॉक्स हमने रिकमेंड किए, इसमें आप कभी भी कोई माइनर करेक्टिव एक्शन या डिक्लाइन आता है तो जो सजेस्टेड रेंज है उस रेंज में यू कैन बाय स्टॉक एंड एक्यूमुलेट दिस स्टॉक and hold it for some period of time, whatever targets which we have suggested in our recommendation, that on achieving of that target you can book the profits around those levels, or you can trail your stop loss higher as per the market dynamics, because market का behavior change होता है। तो आप भी अपने स्टॉप लॉस को ट्रेल करते जाएं, अपने इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करते जाएं, जैसे जैसे स्टॉक में मोमेंटम हायर साइड का आते जाएगा। तो ये सारे स्टॉक हम सजेस्ट करेंगे इस बार दिवाली somewhat 2077 के लिए, and we believe all this stock should do well, and this all stock should give good return to all the investors, viewers, and the followers of Investment Guru portal, Telegram channel as well as the Twitter. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your warm wishes, sir. Really, you have been a great expert for all our viewers, and we have benefited the entire year because of you, sir. And we hope that we keep getting your guidance in the market.
Sure. So
Yeah.
happy Diwali and prosperous New Year to everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Just one disclaimer for all our viewers is that investment into equity market is subject to market risk. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Yeah.